Hey everybody, Great Good Mining here. We got some news about the Toccata Hardfork, and it's pretty big news about the date that it's actually going to be launching. So, Caspa, this is posted by Michael Sutton, by the way. Caspa Toccata mainnet process update. Today we plan to publish the V1.3.0 mainnet pre-release without activation for 1 to 2 days of broader network sanity testing. And then they say, assuming everything looks good, the following release will be V 2.0.0 with activation planned for June 30th. So that was posted on June 2nd, and today's June 4th. So we are less than a month away, apparently, from the actual Toccata Hardfork. Now, the initial date had been June 5th through June 20th. This looks like more of a solid date, like he's not giving a range. He's saying should be June 30th. So that's important news. It looks like, I don't know if this had anything to do with it, but yesterday, Caspa seemed like it was trying to pump, and it had gone all the way up to about almost 3.3 cents, and now we're back down to around 3 cents. So not sure if that news had really anything to do with it, but maybe it gave a little pump. So good stuff coming out for the Toccata Hardfork. If you have not seen my video that I've done recently about the Toccata Hardfork and how AI agents might use Caspa eventually, check those videos out. But here's a post that I wanted to share with you from Travelad Crypto. If you don't follow him, follow him. He's a big Caspa bull, very great content creator to follow. He's got 470,000 followers, so he's got a big following. But he posted this, and I wanted to share it with you. If you don't know what Toccata is, they're bringing a lot of new features and a lot of new functionality to Caspa. Covenants, native assets, ZK opcodes, Silverscript. I go over them more in details in my other videos, so check that out. Now, another thing I want to talk about was pretty interesting that Michael Saylor sold some Bitcoin. The same guy that has said for so long, you never sell your Bitcoin. He sold 32 Bitcoin, and his average sell price is 75,000 per coin. Or sorry, cost average that he bought at was 75,000 per coin. So he's sitting at a loss right now, unrealized loss, and he sold 2.5 million worth of Bitcoin just recently. So I don't know. We've had some interesting, things coming out where I feel like there's bullish news coming for Caspa, but then macro is not looking so hot with Bitcoin dropping down. It was as low as like 62,000, I believe. So we've had some interesting things happening. Now, if you're like me and I don't really want to sell my Bitcoin if I don't have to, you can take a loan out. I actually just finished a loan up that I had put up Bitcoin as collateral with CoinRabbit. So you don't have to sell your Bitcoin like Saylor just did. People are kind of saying he's selling out a little bit. So you can take a loan out and you don't have to sell your Bitcoin. So there's no like tax event that happens with this. You put up your Bitcoin or other crypto as collateral, and then you can borrow against it without having to sell it. So I actually just paid like a loan back yesterday that I had through CoinRabbit. So if you don't want to be like Saylor and sell out and sell all your Bitcoin, you can use something like CoinRabbit to, take a loan out and never sell your Bitcoin. So these are some interesting things that have been happening. The market's in a bit of turmoil right now. It's been very volatile, and we've dropped quite a bit in price in a very short amount of time. But there's drops like this that have happened before, and then how it goes. A few months later, we can recover, and be back to, who knows, all-time highs by the fall. We just don't know what will happen, especially with macro, the way things are. So bullish things coming for Caspa with the Toccata Hardfork. Hopefully, it goes off without a hitch on June 30th. What are you guys doing? Are you running testnet with your computer? There's easy ways to do it. Let me show you a post. If you guys are going to try to run your own node, I wanted to share this with you real quick from BRT2412. He has a video on one of his posts showing how easy it is to run a node. And this is for Mac users, but it's so easy. He says that we should have 10,000 nodes running. So you download the software for Mac at the link in Michael Sutton's tweet, and that is like the GitHub repository and things like that right here. It's attached to this post that he made. And then there's a short video on how to do it. So it's very easy to run your own node. This is a quick and easy way to do it. So I reposted this. If you don't follow me on X, you can find it in my profile within my posts. And hopefully that helps you guys if you're thinking about running a node. So let me know, are you running a node? Are you still holding Caspa? Still holding Bitcoin? Are you borrowing against your Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments below, and hopefully this video has been helpful to you. I'm excited about the Toccata Hardfork coming June 30th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.